Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Cameron Parish in southwestern Louisiana until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:26 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Gypsum, or 9 miles southwest of Lackison National Wildlife Refuge, moving east at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Lackison National Wildlife Refuge around 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Lowry around 5:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.